The new ROWE Scan 650i is the result of 60 years of wide format experience. This is the most innovative wide format scanner worldwide, with 6 models and numerous patented technologies. New standards have been set for many disciplines. The top model ROWE Scan 650i with a scan width of 60 inches is one example which allows one-step scanning of extra-wide documents. Models with a scan width of 55 and 44 inches are also available. Automatic height adjustment up to 1.18 inches, a wish frequently expressed by users, is also available. The electrically powered ROWE height adjustment operates automatically by simply pressing a key, which means maximum flexibility, regardless of the width or thickness of your documents. ROWE Scan Cloud technology links the ROWE Scan 650i to your cloud provider. Simply scan in the QR code by smartphone. Select your cloud as target. Start the scan, and the file will be immediately transferred to your cloud folder. Simple, smart, and safe. Extend your printer to an MFP solution anytime. The ROWE Scan 650i MFP is compatible with all popular wide format printers. And ROWE even goes a step further. Due to its innovative technology and the made in Germany quality, the ROWE Scan 650i was designed for several printer generations. You don't need to buy a new scanner, and you will save 50% of your investment. The ROWE EcoPrint is unrivaled in its flexibility, scanning, copying, and printing with up to 6 rolls. Particularly convenient, direct copying to your ROWE EcoPrint without spatial limitation network-wide. Superior scanning quality with patented technologies of the ROWE Scan Matrix Plus. One of these technologies is the ROWE Dynamic Stitching, a groundbreaking innovation. The patented ROWE Dynamic Stitching continuously controls the scanned document data of each sensor and sets them together in real time. Any deviations that may occur are corrected automatically. Compare the difference. ROWE Double Light guarantees scanning without shadows. 2 LED lamps ensure optimal illumination. Perfect scans, even with folded or crumpled documents. ROWE Scan Matrix Plus also contains ROWE Pro Logic, the superior document enhancement technology from ROWE for copying and scanning with the green button. It ensures that imperfect originals, even those with poor contrast, are turned into perfect scans at the first attempt. The optical resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi ensures all details are visible. The foundation of the ROWE Scan 650i is company technology protected by patents. It's the base for superior productivity, your competitive edge. ROWE has eliminated the annoying forward and backward movement for recognition of the document width. On the fly means that during the scan process, the width of the document is detected precisely. This protects your documents and effectively saves time. Are the corners of your document damaged or ripped? No problem. The dynamic width recognition of ROWE recognizes this and determines the correct width of the document. Super speed with USB 3, 10 times faster than USB 2. Only one scan for the optimal result with the new document improvement system from ROWE. Gamma, contrast, or color can be adjusted without rescanning the document. Ergonomic use of the keyboard, mouse, and monitor without the need for extra space is extremely useful. ROWE automates your workflow. All Scan Manager functions can be selected and saved as favorites. The number of favorites is unlimited. Additionally, 6 favorites can be directly called up via the control panel. The standard super speed USB 3 port directly at the scanner is particularly convenient for immediate scan to USB and print from USB. Removal of the scan glass is carried out without tools. Simply, quickly, and absolutely ergonomically. ROWE Safe Drive protects your originals and the scanned glass, making it last 5 times longer. Absolutely no contact between the reflector rollers and the glass in the scanning area. The ROWE Scan 650i is individually configurable. Speed can be increased with an upgrade kit in 3 steps at any time. Simple retrofitting of all accessories. ROWE counts on durability and secure investment. High-quality materials and an exceptional workmanship grant highest quality. The new ROWE Scan 650i, the technological leader.